Okay, basically today what we're going to be talking about is two cartridges here, the Lexmark 50 and the HP 56. And what we're doing is we're just comparing weights as far as standard cartridges versus refilled cartridges. We're going to start off here with the Lexmark 50 and just open this guy up here. Got a bag here we got to open. Oh, this guy's stuck. Okay. I'll just pull this out of the bag here. And you got your standard Lexmark 50 cartridge here. Put it on the scale. And it looks like it weighs out at about 44 grams. Now, what we're going to do here is take a refilled cartridge straight out of the bag. Just take this clip off here. And you got your standard Lexmark 50 from Rapid Refill. And we'll weigh this guy. And it looks like about 57 grams. That's about 13 to 14 grams more. Now we'll take our standard HP 56 HP straight out of the box. Open this guy up, and it's a little bit easier to open here. And we got our HP 56. We'll weigh this guy, and it looks about 49 grams. Now we'll take our Rapid Refill 56. Same thing, standard cartridge. And you're getting about 53 grams, which is still, you know, about 4 to 5 grams more. Okay, let's talk a little bit about printing. Basically, the ink and toner industry uses a standard of 5% of being covered per page. Now what that means is the HP 56, for example, is rated at 450 pages. The problem is if you print full pages of text that will equal 10 to 20%, you will only get about 115 to 225 pages. There's little things that can change this a lot. Bold print is a large one because you're not really taking up any more space on the page, but you are putting a lot more ink down. You can't really measure by time, and you can't measure how many pages you will print unless you print the exact same thing every time. To really throw things off is when you do this with pictures. For example, we'll use the HP Color 57, which works with the 56. When you print with the 57, it's rated at about 400 pages. Now thinking about what we just talked about with the text, put that to a picture. If you did a lot of 4x6 pictures on a page that's 25% covered, you know, that 400 rating is going to go down to about 100 pictures. Now let's take that even one more step. Let's say you did a lot of pictures outside and there's a lot of blue sky. You're going to run out of the blue faster than any of the other three colors. And if you're using, for example, the HP 57, you're going to have to replace the cartridge because all three colors are in the same cartridge. This just means you won't get as many pages as the cartridge is rated. I hope this helps you to understand the true usage of printing.